Come with us to explore the intersections of life and technology. Beyond interface, beyond screen. What is the relationship between humanity and technologies among us? What is the relevance of design? Resonance begins there, with an invitation to journey and discover, to touch, to sense, to feel. The destination? That was up to the tens of thousands of curious discoverers who visited our installation during Milan Design Week in 2019. Nearly 30,000 people sought resonance, delighting in the whimsical interactions while hopefully contemplating the deeper questions of humanity and technology. Intriguing, inspiring, immersive, amazing, interesting, incredible. Capturing the magic of mindfulness and innovation. Touching and sensing and feeling the relevance of machines in our everyday lives.